Hello, and welcome to WikiCamps. WikiCamps is a dynamic, crowdsourced database of campgrounds, caravan and RV parks, backpacker hostels, day stops, and more.
Upon opening WikiCamps, you will be greeted by the map screen. If your device has GPS, you can tap here to center the map at your current location. From here, you can tap the pins to reveal a pop-up box with information such as the site name, star rating, distance from you, as well as features and facilities which are available at this site. Tap anywhere in the box to open the site's details page. You can now see even more detail, including contact information, site description, site features and facilities, a star rating graph, map details, and a local weather forecast to help you plan your trip. If you're unsure what the feature icons mean, simply tap More Info to expand. You can also add this site to your favorites or to your trip planner by tapping here. Touch the tabs at the top to see reviews, prices, and photos by other WikiCamps members. Once you're done, tap the back button to return to the map page. Tap the icon here to open the site list. By default, this list will be sorted nearest to your current location. However, you can change the sort order by tapping here. Tap any of the sites to reveal their details page. If you want to find sites in a particular town, tap the search bar here. Type in the name of the town, then tap the result below the blue Cities and Towns bar. The map will now center over the town, and a sorting pin will be dropped automatically. Tap to open the site list now, and you will notice it is sorted nearest to the town as well. Once you're done searching in this town, simply tap the Clear button here. If you already know the name of the site you're looking for, tap Search here. Type in the name, then tap the result. Tap this icon to open the Map Options menu. From here, you can change the map style, switch to offline maps, show and hide your trip route, as well as toggle between the various GPS formats.
Now we will take a quick look at site filters. You can access filters from here. Site filters are used to reduce the number of sites shown on the list and map screens. They allow you to narrow down your results to sites which are more relevant to your needs. Let's set up an example. Say you're looking for only free campgrounds which have toilets and allow dogs. You can turn off all other site types except for the camping type, then select the relevant flags. For a more in-depth look at site filters, please see our other videos. Going back to the map and list, now you will notice all the sites showing are free campgrounds with toilets and allow dogs. Once you're ready to find other sites, simply clear any filters you no longer want applied.
Tapping the orange Home button will reveal the main menu. In the main menu, you can create or sign in to a WikiCamps user account, open the trip planner, access the chat forum, and find other handy tools including a compass, a satellite dish pointer, and a customizable checklist. If you plan on using WikiCamps without an internet connection, you can download offline maps and content here. See our offline content video for more detail. Get help by tapping here, or contact us via email or on Facebook.
So that's it. We hope you enjoy WikiCamps and wish you happy and safe travels. Visit our website for more information, and thanks for watching.